Hello everyone, so today I am working my way through the Sigma Party on a Go palette. I think I've already done 2 looks or 4 looks with 2 palettes. I will link it here. I've made a playlist now with all the Sigma eyeshadow palette tutorials I've ever done. This one is called Earthy. So this is something that I know I will like. It has some warm browns, couple of cooler browns. Here are the swatches. It has a couple of these greens. This green here in the middle, it's not very saturated. It's more like a topper. Can you see that one in the middle? But I think I might do today something really warm, something for blue eyes. You could do a cooler look with this one. If you used this one just in a crease to soften it a bit, then this one in a crease and on your outer V, and maybe this one on your mobile lid, that will give you a cooler look. So, and then you can add the pop of green. So I really like it, very neutral color palette, just with that pop of green, right up my alley, and I can see it as like a everyday palette. So let's do it. On a Sigma E45, I'm going to go into Fawns. And I will start to applying it in my crease. And I'm going right up to here, to my nose. You know, if you want to find out how to find your crease on hooded eyes, I have a full playlist, so I will link it here as well, or maybe at the end. Yeah, this one is not that warm actually once you put it on your eyelids, so like I said, that could be your blending out color for the cooler look. But I will warm it up with the Sun-Baked, which is a bit of a mustardy color. And I will start bringing it up. On a Rifa 01, I am going again to Fawns, and I will start shading the outer 7. I'm going to bring it into the corner as well. So maybe we'll do more like a spotlight look. I will use the same color on my lower lash line with a Rifa 26. I've just wet my brush to use that Fawns on my bottom lash line just to get a bit more saturation from it. Rifa 15, just to blend the edges. You know I can't be without Rifa 15 and 01. Love the tone of those brown eyeshadows, really love that. Just gonna darken it a bit. And now I'm going to go for the Canon, which is this one, and I'm going to put it in the middle of my eye. I will see first how it applies with the brush. This is Refa 02, and we will see if I need to wet the brush. Oh, it is lovely just with dry brush, but I think I'm going to wet it to get a bit more sparkle out of it, to make it really pop. I'm just using Morphe setting spray to do that. Oh yes. And I'm just going in like a half moon motion right up to that bone, ocular bone. Yeah, look at the difference. Like wetting the brush. Going to take a bit of that fons and just melt the edges between that sparkly eyeshadow. I will use Sigma E65, which is just an angle sort of eyebrow brush, and I will use the darkest one, shadowy, and I will wet the brush and make thin eyeliner out of it. And I might put this eyeliner just on the outer V near my lash line. And now mascara. Okay, what I did, I added a bit of the Canon, the shimmery one, just in the middle of my lower lash line as well. I think that looks quite nice. I've done my mascara. I might also add the BK Beauty with Risa Does Makeup Martini lashes. These are just like the outer corner lashes, which are really nice, but I wanted you to see first with just mascara. So let me put the lashes on. You might have seen me putting a bit of black eyeliner in a waterline, but never go right into this corner. But then you saw me doing a bit of line just in the inner corner on my top lash line, and this is to balance the false eyelashes. Sometimes when the false eyelashes are just halfway, they may look the front of your eyelashes a bit sparse and too lighter than the end. So the trick is to just put a bit of black eyeliner on that top waterline, and that darkens it a bit and brings it all together. On my lips, I use the Lancome Ideal lip liner, Charlotte Tilbury Kim KW lipstick, and Wayne Goss Hibiscus gloss, which is my favorite. So this is the finished look. I love it. This is just a everyday warm palette for me, but like I said, you can get a cool, not cool, maybe it's more of a neutral brown look from this palette. So it's not like you can get loads of different looks. Yes, you can, but they're not going to look so different. That's why I didn't do two different looks. Like I said, this green is just like a topper, so I could pop it on the top of that and that will change the look a bit. But as you can see, it's mostly very neutral, not neutral, natural brown. So I hope you like this look. Let me know. I think this look is absolutely amazing for blue eyes. It always makes blue eyes pop. And like I said, if you want to see all the other videos that I did with Sigma palettes, just click on this playlist here and it will take you to quite a few, I think it might be 10 videos or so, where I've used different Sigma palettes. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching and stay fabulous. Bye.